better local news updates anytime. Follow WWAY on Twitter. Now, here's meteorologist Helen Holt with your forecast first.
Well, it was another cold day across the area. Afternoon highs only climbed into the middle 30s. And it's pretty quiet scene across southeastern North Carolina this evening as we're just seeing those clouds stream in. Actually, a little bit of snow falling to the north of us, but otherwise here we're just dealing with some clouds. A cold one for everyone across our state. Look at Boone, 13 degrees right now. Asheville, 22. And Raleigh, 28 degrees. And we're just slightly above freezing at 33 degrees. But when you step outside, it feels actually like 24 degrees in Wilmington. Lumberton feels like 26 degrees. The good news, much warmer weather is on the way. I'll have those details. WWAY News Channel 3 at 11 starts right now. Freezing rain, storms, and temperatures near 70 degrees. That's all in store this week. I'll explain when it all happens.
Well, here's meteorologist Helen Holt with your Storm Track 3 forecast.
Well, we felt the coldest air of the season, especially today. 36 degrees is what we topped out at the Wilmington International Airport. Starting out this morning at a cold 21 degrees. If you were out early, maybe letting your pet out and you felt that, it was just brutal out there. And you're not seeing really anything on our Storm Track 3 radar and satellite other than those clouds starting to build in. But we'll be seeing a more active radar over the next 24 to 48 hours. Current temperatures still very cold outside. Lumberton, 32 degrees. Look at Elizabethtown at 31, and here in the Port City, 33 degrees. And then down at Southport, our warmer spot, still at 38 degrees. And when you step outside, these are our wind chills. So this is what it actually feels like to the exposed skin. Elizabethtown, 25 degrees. Wilmington feels like 24. And then when you're stepping outside in Lumberton, feels like 26 degrees. Tonight's lows will be around 31, mostly cloudy skies, and a possible chance for some freezing rain early portions of the morning hours, mainly for inland spots with that northeast wind about 5 to 10 miles per hour. We do have that freezing rain advisory in effect from midnight tonight until 1 p.m. for Bladen and Robson County. I'll have much more details coming up in your 7-day forecast. Hannah.
Now, here's meteorologist Helen Holt with your Storm Track 3 forecast.
We are taking a look at the Storm Track 3 weather cam in downtown Wilmington. Helen, tell me this cold is going to go away.
I will wave my magic weather wand and see what I can do. No, but it really, good news is on the way. We are going to finally kick this extremely cold weather as we head into the new work week, and I'll get those details to you right now. We'll start off with, we are still very cold right now. We have to get through one more cold night. Current temperatures at the ILM airport, 33 degrees with that northeast wind about 13 miles per hour. That's making our wind chills actually down into the 20s. That's what it feels like when you walk outside. But we are watching this complex storm system that's going to bring us a very active start to our work week. Wintry mix possible to start out our Monday morning in the terms of freezing rain. And then storms possible Tuesday morning with a cold front, but then the rest of the week is looking drier, sunnier, and even warmer as well. So Pinpoint Futurecast will break it all down for us. Look at, if we stop time at 4:30 tomorrow morning, this pink starts to show up on our Futurecast model. And this is some freezing rain, going to be very light in accumulation, but watch temperatures as they're going to be right around that freezing mark. Even chance for Burgal to get some of this as well, but it's just going to be very light in accumulations. Notice along the coast, well above freezing. So Wilmington and down into Brunswick County, not going to be an issue. 9 a.m. you start to see this kind of pull up to the north of us. So it's just our far northwestern counties going to be at risk to see just a light glaze. So you could see a few slick spots on those overpasses or bridges, but everyone else going to be just an all rain event as temperatures are just going to be well too warm for this. And in the afternoon, going to just all turn into rain. Notice it could be a little bit moderate to heavy rainfall at times. Temperatures actually climbing up to near 60 degrees in the afternoon. And then starting out our Tuesday morning, active again. You could see those reds starting to show up, heavier rainfall, and could even possibly see some embedded thunderstorms with this. But the front will move in here quickly and be out of here quickly as well. This is by 10 o'clock, seeing those last bands move through here. And in the afternoon, could actually see some sunshine. It's shaping up to be a pretty nice afternoon for our Tuesday. And temperatures in the 60s. Yes, it's going to feel much nicer than those 30s that we've had. Freezing rain advisory in place, though, from midnight until 1 o'clock for Robson and Bladen County. Those are the areas that could see just a trace to a few hundredths of an inch, and I'm including the northern portion of Pender County as well, just to see just that slight glaze. But in terms of rainfall, upwards of 1 to 3 inches over the next 48 hours, a good soaking, and that's not what we need whatsoever. Temperatures will be right around that freezing mark, but near the coast, you'll really start to warm up as we head into the bus stop forecast. 37 degrees, climbing up near 60 degrees in the afternoon. And then notice temperatures will be a little bit cooler for our inland spots compared to our coast. South winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Talking about near 70 degrees ahead of that cold front on Tuesday. Slightly cooler on our Wednesday, but hey, 60 degrees is fine by me. And next weekend looking really nice, near 70 degrees. Not too bad.
We're gonna go through all 4 seasons this week.
Yeah, really. Starting tomorrow, and then in just over the next 48 hours, you're gonna get a lot. It's setting up to be another cold night on tap. Temperatures near freezing, but then we'll warm up near 60 degrees with scattered showers throughout our Monday. Heavy rain and possibly some storms for our Monday night into Tuesday morning when we finally start to dry out. Temperatures near 70 Tuesday, cooling off a little bit behind that cold front. 60 for Wednesday, but sunshine sticking around for the rest of the week. Look at next weekend. Near 67 degrees on Tuesday. Not too bad for February.
On.
Yeah, I know. We were hoping for a little change in pace, and we're getting it this week.
Yes.